Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful condo called the Riverside Condo, which is right next to Holiday Inn Hotel. The total space of this condo is 92 square meters, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's start it. And here is the kitchen. It has everything that you need: electronic stove, the oven, induction fan, the fridge, the sink, microwave. Now let's check out the living area and the dining area. Dining area here comes 4 chairs and 1 table. The decoration is very beautiful. The room looks very bright. And right here is the couch, big couch, wow, and TV and everything. Right here is where you can open and have a laundry area here or add anything that you like. Oh, don't forget to check out our line here and website here. Now, let's go to the master bedroom. Once you walk in the master bedroom, everything is really open. You have 2 big windows you can open and let some fresh air in. Right here is also a small balcony here. And here's the big bed. Now let's check out the second bedroom, which is right opposite from the master bedroom. You have big bed here. Looks really cute. Like I said, it looks really bright. Here is the second bathroom. You have 2 sinks, mirror, toilet, and shower area. And this is the bathroom. Here's the sink, the mirror, toilet, and shower area. And we're done for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to get more information or if you're interested in this condo, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And check out our Facebook. Bye bye!